sabi ng doktor na nag-examine sa bodies ni Michael at ni Janelle na isa sa mga epekto ng meth ay the person could feel very hot, which would mean the person wouldn't dress appropriately for the weather. Siguro at that time, hindi nararamdaman masyado ni Janelle at ni Michael yung lamig. Yes, nararamdaman nila na malamig, pero dahil nga disoriented sila, they don't know what to do. It was apparent by listening to the tapes of their 911 calls that Janelle and Michael were confused, disoriented, and hallucinating.